Hey family, welcome back to yet another edition of the Opolotiversity solutions. And in this video we have this casing machine that we would like to clean. It's a Dell Optiplex 3020, and we need to clean it up. It's one of the old ones that needs to be cleaned, and amongst the tools that we are going to be using, we're going to be using this universal cleaning from Agent, and a Makita blowing machine, UB1101 blowing machine. This is how it's appearing. And also we are going to be using these cleaning towels and a cleaning brush, as you can see. So let's dig in right away into the video. So we're gonna start by opening up this case cover, and it has two double screws here that you have to open up. I'll remove the cover. Once I remove the cover, I will have to see how dusty it is. It has a lot of dust, cobwebs in here, so we need to just start by cleaning the cobwebs off using our brush here, and you just do it gently. So you wanna do this in an open space or open air so that you don't affect your room with dust, right? So you have to be masked up so that you don't affect your nose trim with a lot of dust. So let's start by blowing it off the dust. Hope you are ready for the dust. Very gently, so that you don't affect the particles inside. So and the power supply also. So once we are done with the blowing, we can get our cleaning foam, and then just spray it on the towel, the cleaning towel. You don't have to pour this into your inner parts. Just make it just wet so that you don't affect the motherboard. So you just clean gently on the outer surface to get rid of the particles and the dust which is still available in here. You have to do this gently so that you don't affect most of the parts. So get your brush and the towel. So get the brush. Clean it straight up. So once we are done, you can cover up the casing. So you can first clean it up, the casing. You have to be careful while doing this so that you don't spray inside the motherboard. So I'm done with the cleaning. I'll close this up, lock the casing. So I'm done locking. See how dirty the towel now is becoming. So I'll clean on the top surface also. On the top surface, the upper side. Then focus on the front side also. And then the back side. Most of the connecting peripherals are off because it's an old machine that we're trying to revive. So once we are done, we need to just check it out. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of the Opolotiversity solutions. See you next time, same day. Kindly always keep checking for new videos. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell as we stay together. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your life. Peace and love. One.